Does your blue exterior feel more like a blank canvas than a welcoming retreat? You're not alone. Many homeowners love the idea of a blue home, but struggle to make it feel balanced, stylish, and full of personality. Here's the good news. You don't need a massive renovation or an expensive contractor to change that. With just a few smart updates, your blue exterior home can become one of the most admired parts of your neighborhood. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful design ideas that will take your home from plain to polished. And stick around until the last one, because it's the detail that can completely transform your curb appeal.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Shades of blue siding. Your choice of blue siding shade sets the entire mood of your home. Light blue siding creates a soft coastal vibe, perfect for a breezy, relaxing feel. Navy or deep blue gives a bold, modern edge and pairs beautifully with crisp white trim. Muted slate or steel blue feels elegant and timeless, especially when combined with natural materials. Real-life story. One couple repainted their faded light blue siding into a rich navy, pairing it with cedar accents. The change was so dramatic that neighbors thought they had fully renovated. Pro tip: use a slightly darker blue on the lower part of your home and a lighter tone above to visually elongate the structure. Comment your vibe: light and breezy or bold and modern. White or gray trim accent. Trim is where your blue exterior really shines. Crisp white trim instantly makes blue pop, a classic combo that never goes out of style. Light gray trim softens the contrast for a modern, subtle look. Black or charcoal accents add drama for those who want a bolder exterior. Pro styling tip: use wide trim boards to frame windows and doors for a more polished, high-end look. Which accent would you pick? White, gray, or black? Tell me below. Blue with stone or brick? Pairing blue siding with stone or brick adds instant texture and depth. Gray or white stone enhances a modern blue look. Red brick brings warmth and traditional charm. Mixed stone textures create a dynamic, custom finish. Pro insight: use stone or brick on the lower half of your home for a grounded, balanced look that increases curb appeal. Drop A if you'd love to see stone paired with blue siding. Roof colors to match blue. Your roof is one of the biggest visual elements of your exterior, so pairing it with the right blue is key. Black or charcoal roofs make navy and deep blues look sleek and modern. Light gray roofs pair well with sky blue for a coastal or Cape Cod vibe. Warm brown roofs create contrast for blue-gray homes with rustic charm. Bonus tip: add a matte metal roof in dark gray for a modern farmhouse twist. Want my free roof and siding color pairing guide? Check the link in the description. Landscaping for blue homes. The right landscaping can make your blue home feel alive and welcoming. Best plant options: white hydrangeas for classic contrast, silver leaf plants like Dusty Miller for a soft, cool tone touch, bright yellow flowers for a cheerful pop against deep navy siding. Pro bonus: install a stone or brick pathway leading up to your home for a charming, magazine-worthy entry. Want my full list of the best plants for blue exteriors? It's linked below. So here's the question: is your blue exterior just a house, or the home you've always dreamed of? You don't need a huge renovation to love your space. Just start with one of these ideas: shades of blue siding, white or gray trim accents, blue with stone or brick, roof colors to match blue, landscaping for blue homes. Each one adds personality, balance, and curb appeal that makes your home stand out. So, which one would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly home makeovers and outdoor design tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.